as a cricket control board secretary, there were so many instances, so many things have happened. But one incident, nobody knows that particular thing which I want to tell you today. During 1997, 98, 99, there is one person sitting here who knows that, but he doesn't know the inside story. Anil. He was a selector at that time. One of the selection committee members, Mr. Madan Lal from Delhi, used to talk about one Delhi cricketer in every meeting. कि सर वो बहुत अच्छा है, उसको लेना ही चाहिए आपने. And our chairman used to tell, first make him play in Delhi, then we will think. Oh, Delhi, he was playing for Delhi, but he was batting in Delhi also at number 7 or 8. Every match he played, he used to make 40-50 runs. Batting at number 7 or 8, तो वही होगा. So he was making 40-50. Every meeting he used to talk, and chairman always ridiculed him, and the matter used to be closed. It so happened that he knew that I am very, very friendly with Mr. Chandu Borde. As luck would have it, in the year 1981, our Indian under-19 team had gone to England, and Chandu and myself were the two managers, manager and coach. So, and he was from Madras, he was my classmate in matric in Madras, and we were good friends. So, we used to call each other partner. Even in meetings, he used to call me and partner only. So, this Madan Lal thought, मेरा दोस्त है तो कुछ करेगा. One day Madan Lal came to me before the meeting and said, "Sir, I want to talk to you something very important." बोलो. Then he talked to me about this Virendra Sehwag. He is a very good player. ऐसा कोई player नहीं है. You will never repent if you do this work for me. You are a selection committee में मैं क्या करने वाला है? बोले नहीं सर, वो चेयरमैन किसी का सुनेगा तो आपका ही सुनेगा. मैं बोलूंगा मगर आप सपोर्ट देना मेरे को. And other selectors did not know him, did not know his. So in one of the meetings, 4 or 5 meetings, तो ऐसे ही गया. His name was pointed out but not selected, not even discussed. Then there was one meeting when Zimbabwe team was coming to India. So Madan Lal came to me and said, "Sir, this is a golden chance. Please help me." I'm like, okay. So then privately I had a word with Chandu. I told him one of our selection committee members, he is very much involved in cricket. When he is talking that he is such and such, give him one chance here. Take him in 15 players. What is going to be wrong? ठीक है. Meeting took place, and as usual Madan Lal took his name. Somehow he said, "Okay, we are playing against Zimbabwe. Put him in 15 players." So he was there as a 15th player. First match not selected, second match not selected. Third match was in Rajkot. I had also gone to Rajkot. When I reached there in the evening, I got a telephone call from the ICC chief executive, David Richards. "Jan, bad news for you." I said, "Yes, tell me." "Your captain is suspended for tomorrow's game. He cannot play." I said, "For what?" He said, "Slow over rate in the last match and he is suspended." I said, "Okay." I went to Saurav Ganguly and told him, "Dada, you are not playing tomorrow." "Sir, what happened?" "This is what happened." "So, who should play?" He gave me the name. Then I went to Rahul Dravid's room, told Rahul that you are captaining tomorrow because Dada is suspended for tomorrow's game. He said, "Who is playing instead?" "So and so." Okay. That was not Sehwag. Then I telephoned Madan Lal. "Now Madi, this is a chance. I have not said anything to anybody as yet. I have not met the reporters also. Tell Chandu Borde to tell me that I should play him. Talk to him. Madan talked to Chandu Borde. Chandu Borde also said, no way, he cannot be there. Madan telephoned me. Sir, I have talked to him, but he still says no only. Okay, I will talk to him. Then I talked to Chandu Borde. I said, partner, what is going to happen? 2 matches we have won. Where is the problem? Our colleague is telling something. मान जाओ यार. With only one condition. Partner, with one condition I will agree. I said, tell me. You play him on your risk. If this reporters and everyone will ask you, you tell them. You telephone me, but I was not available. When I was not available, he asked the other selector named Madan Lal, and when he told him his name, he played him. Oh, okay, I am taking that chance. And I played Sehwag in the team. That was Sehwag's first match. And luck would have it that Sehwag had to become one of the good cricketers of this country. India was 5 wickets down for 75 runs on the next day morning. Sehwag came into bat at number 7, made 80-85 runs. India made 250. We won that match. And from then onwards, Sehwag is still playing cricket for India. I am happy that Sehwag, I took that risk, whatever you call it, and he played cricket for India. And he is so successful a cricketer. And I had a word with Mr. Sandeep Patil when I went to Ahmedabad to watch that India versus Pakistan match. The 2 secretaries of the Gujarat Cricket Association are sitting here. And I sat with Sandeep and I talked to Sandeep. I said, Sandeep, how is it that you are not selected Sehwag in this game? He said, somebody in this family is very serious and that is why he opted out. And then I had a word with him and I told him, what do you think about him? I said, in Indian cricket, he should be in every team, whether it is 20-20, 10-10, test match or one day. Without him, Indian team should not be there. He is a match winner. That's what I told him. And he also agreed with me. He said, I agree with you that if he plays for 2 hours, we win the game. So this is about Sehwag.